Hi, this is Siley from Siley's Art. Today I have made a canvas painting with acrylic marker pens. So let's start. For this, you can take any canvas board of any size available in the stationery shop near you. My board is of camlin 8 by 8 and it did cost me just 50 rupees. I am using canvas for the first time, so I will be sketching everything I want first and then using acrylic pens directly. Marking 2 inches lines. I will be drawing houses and buildings on these lines. After I finish pencil drawing, it will look like this. I want lettering in the middle, so making those markings too. Now I have these Ohuhu acrylic pens in 18 shades. You can get these on Amazon. If you see the marker pens, its tip is white, so you need to shake it and press it till its ink comes to the tip. So let's start with the lettering first. Use a cloth below your hand so as the pencil drawing should not spoil. I have written everything that is real was imagined first. Writing with these pens on canvas is super easy. It's as you write on the paper. Use the pens again and make the lettering thick. When you are satisfied doing the lettering thick, draw all the houses with black. I wanted a normal black outline drawing with the lettering on the top. But my pens did not bleed even when I have not given my canvas a base coat. So I like these pens on canvas. Some people are good with pencils and not so good with brushes. For them, such acrylic pens are gifts. I completed all the houses with black pens. How do you think it looks? Nice, but the lettering should be seen more clearly. So let's erase the pencil marks first. I have used white acrylic color to erase some small mistakes done. It will be used as a whitener. I am using normal acrylic color in yellow shade around the letters. It was my last minute trick. I could have done this before making the houses black, or even I could have made the houses in grey. Everything came to my mind after I finished it. Now the lettering is more clearly visible. Basically, acrylic pens on canvas is too easy, even for beginners, and should be given a try. After the yellow paint, it's going to look more attractive. Hope you liked my first canvas art and will try something on your own. The theme of the canvas was an architect's new office. If you have any questions on acrylic pens or canvas, you can write in the comment box below. And if you like to watch my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.